Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Wes's Side Story. So just as I said earlier, I'm going to be working on a 1986 Ford F350 dump truck. I believe it has the 460 in it, but anyway, this whole side that I'm looking at right now was completely kind of mangled in a wreck. We've been working to put this thing back together, so I'm gonna just look around it for a minute. I believe it's the 460 engine. The owner's not quite here yet. I've been working a little bit, but I'm gonna show you what we got going on. All right, so again, this whole front fender was crushed in. We had to bend out this. We put this new radiator in it. We gotta adjust it so the fan fits right. But this is a monster engine. Before it was wrecked, he put some new wood and stuff on it. So it's got the duals in the back. It's an automatic, actually. Excuse me. But anyway, once we put this back together, it's gonna be per date. But so that's what we got going on right now. We're gonna try to flush these radiator lines out, put us some new fluid in there. Maybe we'll get to hear this thing purr today. I don't know just right off. We gotta sort through some electrical stuff, tighten the belt, put the sway bar back on. We had to put a new rack and pinion, just the bar here back in there. So we're doing a lot of stuff. We even replaced the manifold gaskets. It had a leak up here, so we've done a lot. But yeah, that's what we're into today. And I just wanted to show my viewers that, hey, I don't just work on my stuff. I do go out and I work on other people's stuff. So that's what we're doing. And I don't know if I can find a sign or not of his, but here we go. So if you're in this area right here, so Pinhook, Virginia and surrounding areas, that is his business. So if you want some work done, definitely hit him up. He is really good at what he does. So all right, let's I'm gonna get into this truck. I'm not gonna film a lot of the work that's going on, but I will do some updates and you know, just edit a video and see what we got going on. Now I will say that we removed all the smog control devices off of this engine, so if you have one and you are wondering why there's something missing or whatever, most likely that's it. So all right, big 460 block here, so cool deal. All right guys, let's I'm gonna get to work and I'll update a little bit later. All right guys, check it out. We got a fender on this bad boy. We still got a lot of work to do, but hey, it's coming together. So I'll keep giving you little updates and stuff, because this is going to be a quick little video. But yeah, cool deal. All right, I wanted to get a before of this side with no fender, but you guys seen that one. We got a lot of work to do still, but man, look at that. It's gonna come back together. It's gonna be gorgeous. Gorgeous, man. Big 460 in this bad boy. It's worth putting back together. Alright guys, check it out. We got the other fender well on. Yeah, baby. That's gonna be awesome. Man, it's coming together. All right. Wave. Wave out the door. Wave. Wave at me. Oh, he won't wave at me. All right, cool deal. Oh yeah, so this thing is coming together. We got the hood latches and stuff on. We got the plate right here. We got the middle support. Both fenders on. It's actually gonna look pretty nice, man. Putting it all back together. Wow. The hood's black too. That's why the fender's painted that way. We might throw the hood on it today just to keep it covered. But yeah, awesome. Awesome, awesome. All right, we got the hood on, so closer still.
Better when I roll up because now I got two.
All right, guys, check that out. Dude, check that out. It's coming together. We still need some more parts over there. Put the bumper on and stuff. Yes, it is coming together. Cool deal. Looks like a truck again. All right, guys, I'm back here with the dump truck. We got the battery terminals, stuff like that hooked up. The solenoid over here. We put a relay in and added a electric fan set up to this dump truck. So I've just been doing this wiring. So all that's good. Let me get a better look here. Kind of got a radiator hose just sitting there because we've been flushing those. We flushed all the radiator lines. We're about to plug this radiator up. Also, you can't really see it that good right now, but we also installed the intercooler for the transmission. Let's see. There it is. It's down in there. We're going to take this off to run all those lines, but it's definitely coming together. We're gonna have this baby purring today, so stay tuned with us. I just wanted to give you an update and tell you what's going on today. So he did break this. We had to order another spout right here for the radiator, and that's where the thermostat is. So this is the thermostat housing. He did all this, well, most of the wiring. I kind of crimped these and put these on here. So we ran it that way. Both fans are now hooked up, so hopefully that will work. Alright, so I gotta crawl under here and rehook up my transmission lines. We used some of this Cooler Clean flush right here to flush out all the lines, so that way any gunk or anything that's gotten in there since it's been open will be flushed out. So alright, that's how far we got. This thing is looking so good. Can't wait to put all the signal lights, the other headlight and stuff. We're still missing some parts, the bumper, but hopefully we can drive it down the road today. So alright, stay tuned, guys. This thing has been pretty fun to work on. Just helping one of my friends out. They had wrecked it and this whole side was crushed off, which you can see how bad these fenders are. See how bent up that is. That's what was on it. So, and we'll pop all these off and pop them in there. So, but right now it is what it is. We're just trying to get it running, and we want to hear this kitten purr. So alright, stay tuned, guys. I'll be right back with another update after I get some more of this work done. Alright, folks, so I got our radiator all hooked up. Fan cable kind of wired up and out the way. Bottom radiator hose on. I got my transmission lines ran. See, right there. I got the intercooler all hooked up, so we got that hooked back in. We are ready for fluid once we self-tap this to the new core we got. So, and then I just need to put my reservoir in here. But yeah, we're about to fire this baby up for the first time in a little bit. Oh, also got our belt tensioned properly. This one, you used a 3/4 inch socket square to raise it up, and then there was some 9/16 bolts that you tighten the tensioner down with. So pretty interesting how they did it in 1986. So, all right, man, it is coming along. This baby is about to start purring again. We're gonna try the electric fan setup. Hopefully it'll work. They're supposed to put out like 2,000 CFMs a piece, which is exactly, just one of them is all you really need for a big V8 like this. So we got 2 of them. Look, we're gonna polish that stuff up too, make it look all pretty. We ain't quite got that far yet, but all right, stay tuned. All right, guys, we got radiator in, some fluid in her. We're gonna fire this baby up. Come on, baby.
Sounds weird, don't it?
Probably ain't hit it yet. Is it not doing nothing? The battery charged? It started to. Come on, baby. I mean, I was trying to, maybe it's just not getting a good enough connection to crank it. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. You got nothing?
Because it don't sound right.
It kind of don't sound right, man.
Huh?
It kind of don't sound right. Yeah. Alright, guys, we got her running. Turns out we need to replace that terminal. We got a weak battery connection. But check it out, we got her humming now. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's what we're talking about. See, you can put these things back together. I took the front off to get to the intercooler and stuff, but we got all of it back together. Reservoir's in. We're gonna add some more fluid, but there she is. Oh man, she got dust already on there. Yeah. She looks a little smoky in here. Probably just burning some stuff off. I don't know. I don't know. Oh well, there we go. Alright, we don't.
I ain't got no fucking air over here.
We gonna ride this sucker down the road, man.
I'm good over there?
Yeah, you're
here
good.
in my mirror.
Oh shit.
Alright. I really can't see that. Oh yeah, too.
It's
Got a lot more pickup to it.
Yeah?
But I can feel the understeer. Gonna go out that way? What the hell is in our way?
What's in her way where?
Oh, there's 40.
That's what was that?
What do you mean?
I don't know, man. I don't know if driving this thing without a sway bar is a good idea or not, man.
Calm down. It's alright. Like I said, man, the cab over chassis are probably the only ones that's going. If I can feel that it's pulling. It's kind of, they're both pulling. Yeah, they're fine. All it's doing is fucking up the tires.
Yeah, it's pulling bad, man.
Because when you turn that way, see, look, it's
Going left. Alright, we got this bad boy running. Alright guys, so as you could tell we got the truck running. So that's pretty much all we were trying to do with this video, just showing you, hey, you can put these old trucks back together. I have some experience with these old trucks, so that's why my friend asked me to do this. Anyway, those electric fans did not pan out. We did have to put the mechanical fan back in it. I don't know if it was the relay or what, but there's only one way you could wire those things up. So maybe the sensor was bad, we don't know, but we put the mechanical fan back in there. But it is running now. We drove it down the road, you could tell. So that's what we wanted to do. If you like this kind of content, please like, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. There's plenty more coming on Wes's side story. So alright guys, y'all have a blessed day out there.